Guys, this is Michelle here at My Everyday Wife Life. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And in today's video, I will be doing a deep clean of the back patio. I hope this motivates you to deep clean something today. So, bras on, let's go. Guys, I am still having a motivation problem. I don't know, I'm just in a little slump here. I think it is lack of sunshine, which I'll be talking to you about that later. But usually at the end of October, I deep clean the patio because we live in Florida and it's too hot to sit on the back patio until November or December, but we actually got an early fall, so I'm going to clean this up. Hubby actually asked me to just water the plants, and so I thought since I was out here, I might as well go ahead and clean the patio. It is pretty nasty. It hasn't been cleaned in a while. Okay, before I water the plants, I'm going to go ahead and sweep everything because it's just easier to sweep it before I get it all wet. And I'm trimming up all of these plants and placing them in this garbage can, which we started, I don't know, earlier this year in the summertime doing that, and then we never finished. So that's why the garbage can is so full, because we never emptied it. Anyway, whatever. So I'm doing it now. I'm going to wash down all the windows. I did do them recently, but I'm going to go ahead and do them again, and just sweeping and cleaning everything up and trimming everything up and making it look nice. Okay, that bowl there that we used to put cat water in got really nasty because we fill it with well water, and sometimes I just need to clean it and soak it with some vinegar and Dawn dish soap in the sink overnight. Now I'm trimming the rest of these plants and moving on to sweeping the rest of this patio. Okay, I took the tablecloth off of that table and picked up the blanket that was on the floor that the cats lay on and put it in the washing machine and washed that. Okay, these windows got really dirty because we had to leave the screen open because the cats, Calvin and Hobbs, do not want to use the cat door, and that kind of lets bugs and dirt in, so they're a little bit more dirty than usual. For a while, I would have told you I miss you. So I'm going to use my Dawn and vinegar solution to clean the windows. It makes cleaning the windows really easy. It gets off all of the dirt and wipes really clean, and it looks pretty good as long as the sun is not shining through it. When the sun shines through it in the late afternoon, you can still kind of see the streaks, but nobody's gonna know unless I tell you, which I just did, didn't I? Getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. Okay, it had cooled off on this day. The two previous days, it was pretty warm, I think, and I should have took the advantage and done it when it was warmer, but I didn't, so I'm doing it this day. So that water's feeling pretty cold, and I actually dropped the hose behind me, and it splashed up and hit me in the hiney. Yeah, that was a little cold. Okay, I'm going to water all the plants, and then I'm going to use this little scrubby brush. It's to get cobwebs down and stuff like for outside. It works really well for the windows. I did try to use this other wand thingy for the car that I had, but it didn't work as well, so I went back to using the scrubby brush thing. Works pretty good with the Dawn dish soap and the vinegar. Works really well.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul.
Now you may be asking, why don't you just use some Windex and paper towels? I don't know. I've tried that and I still have streaks, so all that effort for nothing. So I might as well just hose it all down. It just seems like it is easier for me. Plus the patio needed washed down and all the plants needed to be watered. It just seems to work better for me this way. Okay, guys, I thought I could finish the whole patio, but I couldn't. That took me about an hour and a half, so I decided to wait and finish it what I thought was going to be the next day, and that didn't happen, and it didn't happen the next day too. So I'm just showing you the nice clean bowl that I can fill up with water for the cats now. They do have water bowls inside too. They just haven't been using that one because I needed to clean it. All right, so everything got nice and cleaned and trimmed, but only half the patio. And I thought on this day I would go ahead and finish the rest of the patio. But you know what? I didn't want to. And so I realized I haven't been on a bike ride, which I thought was like a week. And I was lacking sunshine. And no amount of vitamin D supplements can replace sunshine. And then I checked my phone and my tracker, and I realized it's been 2 weeks. And maybe that was part of my problem. I am not getting enough sunshine. So I should be doing the patio, and I can get a little sunshine doing that. But you know what? I'm going to do what I want. This can wait. It can wait till tomorrow or the next day. I don't have to get it done now. So I'm just showing you what else still needs to be done. This other half of the patio. There's hubby working on the bed from home. What a cush job that is right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my bike shorts on and my padded bike shorts and all my biking gear on, and I'm going to go for a bike ride.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel.
Okay, guys, so what is the lesson or lessons learned here? One, learn to recognize when you're sliding down that slippery slope. And I kind of was failing to recognize that I thought maybe it might have been lack of vitamin D, but I was ignoring that voice in my head telling me go get some sunshine. And yeah, so you need to take care of yourself first, and then you can do the things that you feel should be done, and do the things that you want to do, like go get some sunshine, and you will feel better, and then you will have the energy to do the things that need to be done.
I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. Some things change, are lost and found, or gone forever. But this is what you want to.
Guys, I hope I motivated you today to get some deep cleaning done and to get outside and get some sunshine. Like I've said, no amount of vitamin D supplements can replace sunshine, so go get you some. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment. And if you're new to my channel, click my face right there and subscribe. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.